For whatever reason, Pinduoduo has been removed from the Google Play Store. Notwithstanding that, I'm just going to walk you through the nitty-gritty to which you can download and install the Pinduoduo mobile app onto your Android smartphone. I'm not going to dive into the reasons why Pinduoduo has been removed from the Google Play Store. So what I need to do from here is to take my smartphone. So this is the smartphone that I'm going to download and install the Pinduoduo mobile app onto. So I just locate my Google Chrome browser, just as you can see on your screen. Then I come to the interface, Google, and in here I type Pinduoduo. So you can see, so series of things about Pinduoduo will populate or will pop up. Then I scroll down. Then I get to this very interface where it has circled. Then I click on Pinduoduo for Android. I click there and I wait for it to load. So from this interface, what I need to do from here is to click get the latest version. I click there. So you can see download. So the latest version comes with its size. So the current file size we see here is 26.45 megabytes. This might differ from the time of which you are downloading and installing the Pinduoduo mobile app onto your smartphone. So what I need to do from here is to click where we see the download. I click. I wait for the next interface to load. From this interface, it says file might be harmful. We just neglect that and we click on download anyway. So you can see that a pop-up is on a downloading file. So let me go and click on the details. So I click there. So I can see the Pinduoduo file, the APK file being downloaded onto my smartphone. So I wait for it to finish loading. Now the file is done downloading. So what I need to do is to tap on it to install. So I tap on the file downloaded, then say install. So I click on install. Now the app or the Pinduoduo mobile app has been downloaded and installed successfully onto our smartphone. So what you need to do from this very interface is either click on done or click on open for the first time. So in my case, for instance, I would choose done. But whatever you may want to do, you can also decide that. So I click on done, then I go to my home page on my smartphone, or I go to my dashboard on my smartphone, and you can see the Pinduoduo mobile app successfully downloaded and installed. If you are using Android smartphone, you will not get the Pinduoduo mobile app in the Google Play Store. However, if you are using iPhone, that one you can just hover onto your Apple Store or App Store, and you get the Pinduoduo mobile app there. So folks, this is how we did successfully download and install the Pinduoduo mobile app onto our smartphone. In my next episode, I'm just going to walk you through the nitty-gritty of how to successfully create a Pinduoduo account without having any challenge. If you find value in this very tutorial, I'll plead with you to hit on the subscribe button if today is your first time coming across my channel. Turn on the notification bell to stay updated as and when I drop a new video. You can follow Money Smile GH on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Trends, and WhatsApp channel. In this very year, I'm going to be training people to know how they can successfully source, procure, and ship top-notch goods from any import portal into their choice of country. If you want to get the nitty-gritty of this knowledge, check in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel, as I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step without having any step skipped. Once again, I'm the person of Efojimado, the founder of Money Smile GH. See you in my next episode.